Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again, and in this video we'll talk about how we can check a website's technology using a Google Chrome extension. So we have two extensions coming up for you. First of all, we'll try and check with Webspotter. So to install the extension, all you need is a Google Chrome. First of all, open Google and search Google Chrome extensions. Once you hit this search, it will take you to the extensions page, which will look something like this. This has a lot of extensions available, and every extension does a specific purpose. So we'll simply search using this specific search option, Webspotter. This is the one, and we'll search. We just got this one. Click and add to Chrome. Add extension, and we are done. Let's close it. Now click on this extensions icon and pin this extension to your Google Chrome so that next time whenever you have to check the website's technology, you don't really have to search the extension and use it. We have the extension installed in our PC, and now it is time to check how the extension works. So first of all, we'll open a website, wordpress.org. You can open any website that you want. I'm opening this one because I know it has been created via WordPress. So it will be easy for me and for you guys to understand and match the data, whether it is showing correct or not. So I'll simply click on this extension now. You can easily use this extension to check a website technology, then web server information, uh, platforms. Platform is the basic core language in which the CMS was written. So PHP is the base language for WordPress, and then you have font information, which is Google Fonts. So this is the basic information that you have available by just one click. And then you have the SEO information. Open page rank is 95, which is very good. Then social information, if all this information is listed, it will be available to you, and you can also give feedback if required. So we've learned one extension, now it is time to check the other one. So all we need to do is, again, we have to go back to the Google extension page, Google Chrome extensions, and again it will take you to the extensions area. Once you have the extension page open, just click on this search again, type in BuiltWith. So it will show few options in drop down. Click on this BuiltWith Technology. This is the extension. Click here, add to Chrome, add extension. Now it is time to pin the extension to Google Chrome as we did with the previous extension, which was Webspotter. So just click on this manage extension icon and pin. Now we have available. Now go back, refresh the page. As we know, the site is WordPress. Click here and we have all the information available. As we see, this specific extension is a little better than the previous one. It gives information about what all tools the site uses, for example Google Analytics in this case. And then we have the Quantcast, then Google site tags have been used, stream has been used, bbpress, contact form. These are all WordPress plugins that the site uses. And then there are other tech available. Jetpack is one of the WordPress plugins. Then there are like so many other tags and languages. All the information that you want to see in a website is available right here in the list. So check it. And you have other information also, like these details, meta information, relationship, redirects, if the information is available. Thank you very much guys for watching, and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't done already, and so that we can continue making videos for you.